Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Saucony Peregrine 12 trail running shoes for men. These shoes are built for trail enthusiasts who demand a combination of speed, traction, and comfort in rugged terrain. Right off the bat, the Peregrine 12 impresses with its lightweight design. It's over an ounce lighter than its predecessor, which means less weight on your feet and more speed on the trail. This makes it an excellent choice for runners who want to move quickly without sacrificing protection or grip. One of the standout features is the redesigned lug pattern on the outsole. Combined with Saucony's PWR-TRAC rubber, this ensures maximum traction on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're navigating wet rocks, loose gravel, or muddy trails, the grip here is reliable and confidence-inspiring. The lugs are 5 mm tall, providing that perfect balance of bite and flexibility. Protection is another key focus. The Peregrine 12 comes with an improved rock plate that sheds moisture and adds extra shielding from sharp stones or uneven ground, yet it maintains flexibility so your stride feels natural and comfortable. This rock plate is a subtle but important addition for those serious about trail running. The shoe's upper is constructed using vegan materials that incorporate recycled components, aligning with modern sustainability trends. The fabric, although not leather despite some listings, offers durability while keeping breathability in check. The ankle shaft height gives you good coverage without being restrictive. Looking at the shoe's technical specs, the Peregrine 12 has a 4 mm offset, with stack heights measuring 26.5 mm at the heel and 22.5 mm at the forefoot. This low offset promotes a more natural foot strike, which many trail runners appreciate for improved balance and agility. Weight-wise, the men's version tips the scales at around 9.7 ounces or 275 grams, making it light enough for fast runs but sturdy enough to withstand the challenges of technical trails. When it comes to comfort, the cushioning strikes a fine balance between softness and responsiveness. It's not overly plush but provides enough support to protect your feet from the constant pounding that comes with off-road running. The outsole design also helps to ditch debris quickly, so you don't feel like you're carrying extra weight from stuck dirt or small stones. From a design perspective, the Peregrine 12 offers a sleek and aggressive look with a black and charcoal colorway that appeals to runners who want functionality paired with style. The shoe is ankle height, providing a secure fit without the bulk. Overall, the Saucony Peregrine 12 trail running shoe is a thoughtfully engineered piece of footwear that prioritizes speed, protection, and grip for trail runners who want to push their limits. It's a shoe that adapts well to a variety of terrains, delivering a reliable and enjoyable trail running experience. If you're looking for a trail shoe that's lighter, faster, and built to handle rugged conditions with ease, the Peregrine 12 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on top products. See you next time.